These cookies are simply the best I've ever made. The recipe is just perfect. They keep their shape during the baking, so no need to reshape as they come out of the oven. Add 135 grams of soft or melted butter. Add 70 grams of granulated sugar. And then 70 grams of Muscovado sugar. Add 1 large egg. Half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 185 grams of plain flour. Give it a good mix. Then 55 grams of cocoa powder. At this stage, during the mix, you'll find it's a really stiff mix, but it's worth it because the cookies hold their shape, they're perfect. Add 100 grams of white chocolate chips, keeping some back to make the cookies look perfect at the end. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius, 170 degrees fan, and bake your cookies for 12 minutes. When they come out of the oven, let them cool a little bit and then start adding your additional chocolate bits. I've used milk chocolate, white chocolate, the extra white chocolate chips, and then as a final flourish I add sea salt because it is just perfect. Look at that, absolutely gorgeous. These cookies have a crunch and a chew, and they are just so Moorish, perfect with a glass of milk. You'll find the full recipe in the description below. Please like and subscribe for future beautiful recipes.